Good morning, students. So yesterday we have seen how we can take a output from a mathematical functions. So all the mathematical functions in Java is executed with the help of default package, which is java.lang. We don't have to import any package for executing the mathematical functions. Now there is the another question. There is the expression, mathematical expression is also comes for write into Java expression. So there are the some predefined formulas, and these formulas will also use for the output also, such as suppose we want to calculate the under root of x, then we will write this is the math expression. In case of Java, we will write math.sqrt. Inside the bracket we will write the x, and the n should be capital and the rest of the part will be small letter. Similarly, we want to calculate x to the power of y. So there is the function of pow. Then we will write mat.pow x comma y. So x to the power of y will be calculate. In case of e to the power of y, suppose in case of e to the power, so in place of e, except of e, there the function power will be used. In case of e, exponent will be used. Suppose this was is e to the power of y, then the function will be mat.exp of y. This is the symbol of ABS, so we will use the ABS function mat.abs of x. Now this is the small mathematical operations. Now in the exam this type of expression is coming, and we have to convert a equal underscore b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Under root b square minus 4ac, the whole part should be divided by 2a. So we are writing a equal mat dot sqrt. B square will be b into b minus 4 into a into c, and the whole part we will write inside the bracket. Then finally 2a, and 2a should be inside a bracket, otherwise first the divide operation will be performed, then multiply. The second expression is ax to the power of 5 plus b upon cx plus d to the power of 4. Then a into mat dot power x to the power of 5 plus b, the whole part will be inside the bracket. And in case of upon, we will use the slash, because all the statement will be typed in computer in a single line. So c into x plus mat dot power d to the power of 4 inside a whole bracket. So this will be become a Java expression of this math expression. Now there is the pi r square plus pi r cube. So there is the no function for pi, or we can use a one standard constant mat dot pi, or we can directly write 3.14. So here in your book mat.py, pi should be in capital, pi into mat.pow r to the power of 2 plus mat.py multiply mat.pow r to the power of 3. Now these are the some unsolved questions. So you have to write the Java expression for this. The first one is square root of a square minus b square. So what will be the expression of this? This will be mat.sqrt a into a minus b into v inside the bracket. The next expression is pi inside the bracket x to the power of 6 minus 5 to the power of 6. So how we will write? We will write mat.pi, pi capital Pi, multiply inside the bracket mat.pow x comma 6 minus mat.pow y comma 6. In third expression 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So what will be the expression for this? This will be 4 slash 3 into mat dot pi into r into r into r. We can write the cube as in this way, r into r, or we can also use mat.pow r comma 3.